food for thought. Today we're going to be making pork fried rice. The ingredients for this dish today is going to be some diced pork, rice, peas and carrots, some chopped onion and garlic, scallion, sesame oil, soy sauce, and some black pepper. Alright, one of the main ingredients is going to be the scallions. It's very flavorful. It's very oniony. And one thing I remember learning is this end part. Obviously, I cut the end off with the little stringy stuff. But this end part right here where it's white is very flavorful. I remember when I was working in restaurants, I learned that never to cut that end or discard that end because it's very flavorful and it just makes the dish even more better. Cut the scallion at an angle on a bias, and it's going to give me these nice looking diamond kind of cut scallions, nice and long like that, and they look very beautiful in the dish. As you can see, that looks very beautiful, and if that was a garnish, that would be great. Alright, so we pre-made the rice. We made the rice and then cool it down, or you can also make the rice and then just keep it hot for your fried rice. Alright, let's begin. We're going to get our sesame oil in the pan at a medium heat. And just about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil there. And then we're going to roll that around and we're going to throw in our onions and garlic, about half a cup. And let's go ahead and saute that up.
Smells good.
And then after that, we just want it to get a little translucent. And we'll throw in our pork and saute it up with the onions and garlic. And we'll let that go for about a minute. Just cook. Go ahead and throw in our rice. Throw it all in. We have our rice in. Now we're going to go add our soy sauce. We don't need to add any salt to this because the soy sauce is going to act as the salt for this fried rice. And then we're going to go ahead and add some color to it, our peas and carrots. These are actually frozen peas and carrots from the grocery store, but that's okay. We're going to work from it. We're going to work with it from frozen because we still want to keep those peas nice and green. We're going to allow the steam from the rice soften those up. Now you can allow that just to keep cooking for about another minute till the peas are nice and soft. Go ahead and taste them. Even the carrots as well. I'm going to go ahead and add the scallions that we cut. Alright guys, there you go. This is it. Looks like something you would order from the Chinese store or the Chinese restaurant. Tastes just like it too. Delicious. Alright guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I did forget the black pepper. So you can go ahead and add the black pepper on, and at the end, mix it up and try it and see if it's to your tasting. If you want to add more salt, go ahead and add more salt, but that's it for you. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you have any comments, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. And just wanted to clarify that some pork fried rice recipes do call for egg, but we chose to leave that out. Alright, so if you're new to our channel now, go ahead and click that subscribe button and leave a comment below and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.